everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on bus. A bus is a big vehicle that carries a lot of people. Buses come in different sizes and colors. City buses help people move around in towns and cities. School buses take kids to and from school every day. Long distance buses travel between far away places. Buses have specific stops where people can get on or off. Some buses have two levels with seats on the top and bottom. Buses are an affordable way for many people to travel together. You can often see buses on busy roads or near bus stops. Buses are important because they help communities stay connected. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.